Hello guys, welcome to Sideline Stories. And today we have with us Ranjit Bajaj sir and Shaji Prabhakaran sir. Ranjit sir has been a regular guest on my show, and Shaji sir ka first time hai, and I'd really love to discuss about Indian football and the recent happenings in Indian football with both of these guys. The main reason I want to do this episode is I have to clear a lot of air. Whatever is happening on Indian Twitter और वो बहुत random चीजें हो रही है. लोग बस एक दूसरे को गाली दिए जा रहे हैं. There's just a storm और मेरे से ये झेला नहीं जा रहा. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या सही है कौन सही है. Fake news, real news. I have no idea. So I wanted to clarify for my own sake and for the sake of other Indian football fans. Let's begin the episode, shall we? So Shaji sir, the first question I'd like to ask you is, जो बोरियादा ने आपको like the news which he had said about Steamach's contract and removal of the negation clause, which said कि if he is removed, then we'll have to pay him. Is that true?
No, see, there is a termination clause that exists there as well. It depends how you terminate a person. It's a process oriented. So therefore, there is like STMAC itself made it clear everything. And I'm adding anything doesn't help because one can terminate, but again, one need to follow the process. Yeah, that's very simple. And it is not about the specificity of certain things, yeah, and that's where the confusions are. And STMAC has very clearly mentioned that he was not asking for money; he was asking for some time, and that is where a professional decisions are taken through a professional engagement. Yeah, you cannot treat somebody as your enemy and then to expect that everything will be like mutual. That's where the problem is, and there is enough provision in the contract for anyone to have negotiation, discussion, and terminate. Yeah, so that is what a matured organization would follow. Yeah, that's simple.
Sir, मतलब
So,
sorry. Go
Omkar,
ahead.
1 second. I'll tell you in this contract. Let the fans know. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में दो चीजें होती हैं. एक होता है म्यूचुअल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, एक होता है यूनिलैटरल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो एमटीए में क्या होता है कि इट इज लाइक एमटीए एंड यूनिलैटरल, मतलब कि तुम अपने आप जाके नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर तुम दोनों पार्टीज इकट्ठी बैठ एंड उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में होता है कि बोथ द पार्टीज कैन कम टुगेदर, कैन कम टू अ डिफरेंट सोल्यूशन एंड यू कैन टर्मिनेट. There is nothing known as a termination clause in any contract where you can say, okay, fine, I can fire you right now. अगर वो होता भी है तो then you have to pay him a lot of money just to fire him, because it's not like a normal नौकरी you are having. It's like a international coach. So here I agree with him. I agree with Shaji a lot, because here we have to be doing it in a way which does not कि हमारे को ना उल्टा पड़ जाए ना. Basically, end of the day, Indian football has to protect itself. Okay, and the job of protecting itself, Indian football, is on the federation. So the federation has to make decisions which do not cost us. Now, this is really cost us.
And sir, मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है? I'm getting the hint कि if Steamach should have, like he said himself, कि if he would have been fired, then it would have been long ago and not now. But the AIFF has fired him now. So do you think that they have fired him right now because it has more effect than Steamach himself leaving? क्योंकि फिर उनका PR improve होता है. Is that the case? Shaji sir and Ranjit sir, your opinions?
See, it is not about PR. See, we need to think as Ranjit mentioned, we need to protect the institution, protect the value of our football in India. Yeah. So therefore, it is not about you firing one coach, but it's about also future of the team and how you're going to engage with another professional in the future. So therefore, you cannot have a culture where there is a dictatorship. Yeah. It is basically, anyway, you decided that you will part ways. Yeah. So why, why you create, bring, what do you say, the guns and the big, machine guns? Not required. Yeah. It's football. Yeah. It's not, you are not in any enemy territory. Come
Yeah.
on. Huh? Where is the maturity? Yeah, where is the professionalism? Where is the structure? Where is the sense of responsibility? That is what one
Actually,
need to ask.
Shaji, I would call it something even else. I would call it rookie. Rookie mistake. Rookie होता है ना जो नया नया आते हैं तो I'll tell you why because I made these mistakes. जब मैं पहले साल आया था तो मैंने ना ऐसी होकर ये क्या प्लेयर है इसको टर्मिनेट किया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड आई जस्ट थ्रू इट. अब वहां पे प्लेयर स्टेटस कमेटी में जाके पूरे साल की मेरे को तनख्वाह देनी पड़ी थी उसकी. मैंने सीख लिया था भाई साहब ओ माय गॉड ये यू कैन नॉट डू दिस इज हाउ यू लर्न. सो समवन हु हैज बीन इन फुटबॉल knows that this is the way. You cannot do this. Forget to a coach. Forget to an international coach like Igor Stimac. You can't even do it to a normal player. You can't do it to a coach. You can't do it to anyone. Now, when you do it to an international person, they don't understand. You go to straight away to FIFA. It's not your player status committee or your disciplinary committee who's going to decide. It's FIFA. The moment FIFA gives a decision and you have to go against FIFA, you have to go to CAS. Just going to CAS will cost you $200,000. That's just the fees. So this has to be told to people who suppose I'm just saying maybe people in the top they don't know the rules और वो कह रहे हैं ठीक है I want to fire him. So it is a job of the legal team or the technical team or the people who make the contracts to tell the people who are making the decision that if you do this ये होएगा जी आपके साथ. Are you willing to do this? And then the accounts people have to come in and say, sir, you can't do this because हम नंगे हैं इस time पे. All these things, all departments have to be working together when a decision is made. Whereas I think a decision has been made बहुत हड़बड़ी में, which does not make any sense. That's me.
So basically, they let the nerves get to them, right? The way they were attacked on social media, I think they were hurried in the way they terminated the contract of Shimach. Lekin Shajita, then what was the right move according to you? Was Shimach going to resign after some time? Should they have given him more time for him to resign himself? Or should they have found another way? Like, I don't know. Could you exactly highlight?
There is a professional way of doing things. Yeah, here Stimac has already stated what he has conveyed to the federation very clearly, and it is the responsibility of the federation to have a face-to-face meeting, have a discussion, open-minded discussion, and discuss the exit. See, you have exit interviews for even the lowest of positions. So he is one of your top employee. Yeah, you cannot treat him as somebody like a Eragera. Yeah, give him respect. Man, he was here for 5 years. He has the players. None of the players have made a single complaint against him in all the 5 years. Yeah. And he is part of the system. He was part of the system. Give him that respect, and discuss openly. See, that is where professionally, see, every second in the world, one coach, employment is terminated in this world, for especially football. Every minute or every hour, there may be one coach getting terminated. So therefore, it is not something, this is happening for the first time in the world. Yeah. So it's all about maturity. It's all about, having the sense of responsibility towards the organization, towards football. And, you can't be, taking decision based on some pressure, which is self-infected. Yeah. To ego satisfaction. Here, if you deal with ego, then you are causing a lot of problem for the football. Because anyone who is going to come step in nest will think 100 times whether this is the right country to I'll be working, I'll be investing, are they the right people whom should I work with? Because you kind of given a lot of opportunities for people to think, and India has that way is not send the right message.
Yeah, sir. I get that it's the wrong impression. Lekin, Shaji sir, don't you think that the loss against Qatar was like the last straw on camel's back? When the fans, sir, as a fan myself, honestly speaking,
See,
I
who is
wasn't happy
saying?
with what
See,
happened
who
to
is?
on the
No,
Steam match.
no. See, you. I am not defending that.
Shaji, एक minute.
well,
Shaji, I want to talk about this once again. So I see that's what I was saying. Please listen, bro. Don't you think? I mean, loss against Qatar is nothing to cry about. Okay, Qatar are Asian champions and they've been in the World Cup. If you wanted to fire him, then why didn't you fire him against Afghanistan?
Yeah, we should have won.
That is
I
where you
also
should have
agree with
fired
that.
him. That is where you should have fired him. Suppose Argentina tomorrow loses to Saudi Arabia in the first match of the World Cup. Was the coach fired there? No, they went on to win the World Cup because they supported the coach. Now, if you have supported him through the bad time, that means through the Afghanistan time, now is the wrong time to fire him. I'm not saying that he should have. Their timings, तुमने बहुत गलत timings की है. जो तुमने अगर result के basis पे करना था, तो पहले करना था. Qatar is not a result you base this on because Qatar is Qatar. Okay, doesn't matter. The under 23 team is also going to be the future. That's very good compared to Afghanistan. Yes, but now Afghanistan में क्यों नहीं किया? I'll tell you क्यों नहीं किया because अफगानिस्तान में अगर वो करते इसके बाद तो आपको पता लगता कि क्या क्या चीजें जो बाहर आई थी अब कि how they were our own Indian team was very handicapped. So I like to see when people say I'm supporting Igor, I'm supporting Igor. No, yaar, I'm not supporting Igor. I'm supporting the Indian national team. मेरे लड़के खेले थे और मेरे लड़के मतलब मेरे नहीं मेरे इंडियंस खेले थे हमारे इंडियंस खेले थे तो मैं अपने बच्चों को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूं कि हमारे बच्चों को प्रॉपर प्लेन की जर्नी मिलनी चाहिए थी हमारे बच्चों को प्रॉपर वहां पे रेस्ट मिलना चाहिए था एक्लेमेटाइजेशन होनी चाहिए थी प्रैक्टिस मैच मिलना चाहिए था मैं बड़ी बात मांग रहा हूं नहीं क्यों क्योंकि अफगानिस्तान जो एक वॉर टॉर्न कंट्री है जहां पे 15 साल से तालिबान रूल कर रहा है they could get it together they sent the Afghanistan team there 2 weeks before 15 days acclimatization practice matches staying at that stadium the result is very obvious
So is it carelessness or is it just matlab why
that this Shaji will answer Shaji is this carelessness or is this incompetence
yeah is
or
it
is this
neglection
No, see, it is
neglection or is it
see, it
carelessness?
it is immaturity and lack of the incompetency of the whole system because that is where the team has suffered and that is where Indian football is suffering and that is where you are getting all the bad press. Yeah, that is very simple because if it could have been done in a way which would have been professional. Again, I am saying, and that would have given a more maturity to the whole thing and the respect to football, respect to people who were involved. Today, the situation is really bad. Everybody is criticizing each other, which we can't afford. Our level of football, we should not think that we are going to be Asian champion or something. Yeah, our football is much lower and our challenges are much higher and we need to be perceived well. We can't afford our perceptions to low to minus, and it has gone to minus now. And it will be harder, for people like Ranjit to get the investment, the funding, to convince people. And there are so many people who are investing into the game. They will think 100 times whether this is the right sport to invest. So you have to think, many things while taking one decision. How you take the decision? Yeah, you have decided to take the decision, but the process should have
yes
been, better,
yes
matured.
so see no one is here again people again keep on saying that Ranjit was supporting this anti-decision or Shadi was doing this no it's just if suppose we had done it the correct way and we saved our international reputation and we saved 6 crores and we keep on good terms with a coach who has served us so well for so many years एक तरफ वो है और एक तरफ ऑप्शन है ओए यू फायर्ड बिकॉज यू डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ये तुम्हारा रियलिटी शो चल रहा है कोई
Yeah, I get that.
अरे देखो
But
मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ देखो मैं अपना रंजीत मैं अपना एग्जांपल देता हूँ मेरे में भी तो टर्मिनेशन क्लॉज था सब था तो मैं तो आज भी टर्मिनेटेड नहीं हूँ इट इज स्टे फ्रॉम द कोर्ट so therefore
yes
it is about I my experience I am talking see the same way the same experience have been shared now see I have not come and given that kind of a press conference Yeah, there are, I can,
नहीं मैं
I
Shadi,
can,
actually
I
I'll
can
tell
also
you,
do
it's
it.
because
Yeah,
I'll tell you Shadi, if you were a Gora, so they would have been screwed the way they dominated you. Simple. The same thing so it's just about process. So if you were a Gora, you would have gone to FIFA and then FIFA would have done it in domination. वो तो अलग बात है. You have to go to Indian courts here because here the PSC and the disciplinary committee, as you know, is controlled by whoever is running the federation. आपको पता है ये बात. So obviously, so now this is very, it's the procedure. See, and again I said, rookie. वो मैंने बात बोली थी ना, rookie mistakes कहते हैं.
Sir, and Steamach, the way he's been firing, मतलब पहले तो Steamach was pretty okay with AIFF. Then once he's been fired, वो इतना गुस्से में लग रहा है कि he has said stuff like they were still
भाई
moving with me to keep
भाई मुझे
things
बता,
under the carpet,
अगर
which I would have exposed.
मेरी बात, जब तक तुम्हारे पास employee है तुम्हारा, he is being paid by you, okay? He will not be talking against you. And even if he does, it will be murmurs, and the way AIFF has done till now, they used to give him notices and shut him up. Because
Yeah.
अगर नहीं करोगे तो हम आपके करेंगे. और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी लिखा हुआ था, इनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा हुआ है इगोर स्टीमैक के जो नया वाला बना है, that if you say anything wrong against the federation or you badmouth them or this is ground for termination. But now once you have fired him, there is nothing holding him back. Why will he not come and reveal everything? He will come and tell you everything. And that's not with him. It's with everybody. So that's what happens.
Okay.
इसीलिए
Sir,
तो
one
बात थी,
important
do not wash your linen in the public. मतलब सबके सामने अपने गंदे कपड़े नहीं धोने चाहिए. हाँ.
Shaji sir, in hindsight, do you think that renewal of Steamach was a bad choice? Just a very general
no, not absolutely not absolutely not. See, we won
The way
back-to-back 3 championship, the 3 titles that time. Yeah, so renewal was absolutely perfect, and his approval rating was 91% across the social media. Yeah, if people say that they have been pressured by the social media to take the decision, and you just go back, how many YouTube stories have been done at that
I'll
time
tell you,
after
but
winning the
Shadi,
SAM.
not only
So
that,
therefore,
we have never in our
yeah,
history of Indian football ever won
yeah,
3 titles together. So that time
yes,
the social media was all Igor Stimac
yeah.
is the greatest thing to ever happen to
मैं भी
Indian
खुश था
football.
थोड़ा. हाँ.
हाँ, तो तू क्या साले, हम सारे, there was nobody who was saying उस टाइम पे मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिखी एक बारी ट्वीट इगोर स्टीमैक आउट जब 3 टाइटल जीता, नहीं
Yeah.
दिखी ना.
Correct. But sir, अभी
No, I am talking
form
in
which is
terms of
there.
the data. It's like, see, our memories are very short. That's what it reflects. But see, and it is global. Like coach is as good as his last game and his last week. That's a fact of the things. But see, the thing is that we are going in different directions unnecessarily. That is what we can't afford. We are not a matured football country. We are struggling every minute, every second. Our basics are not there. Our foundations are weak. We don't have that level of coaches within the country. So we have to get the right person who can give a lot of experiences and build our football that way. So therefore, somebody will be replacing Stimac. That person who should come should be motivated, should be encouraged, should have the right competency, right skill, and should be able to deliver something. And one should not come with the confusion and saying, "Oh, this is going to be the toughest country, and I will not get the support. I will, all that." So therefore, it's all in the system where we have to reflect everything, whatever we do, in a much more matured manner. And the communication, what we do, how we act on things, these are in control. See, what is not in control is how we are going to go and play on the pitch, because that would take time to control. Yeah, today, one off day we might play a great football, like what we played against Qatar, but that cannot get repeated because we are far below in every aspect of football landscape in India.
So in the end, it's all about not taking hurried decisions, right?
No,
Yes.
you take hurried decision, but implement through process.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but the point
this
is
isn't
that
that.
decisions have to be, yeah, decision तुम जो मर्जी ले लो, but it has to be in
Yeah.
accordance with what is there ना, मतलब it has to be a process like he's saying. So see, the process is being, and it's not only in these decisions, Omkar, it's also in general life. Processes are not being followed everywhere in AIFF, starting from the under 13, under 15, under 18, वो process है ना, youth development का process है जो अच्छे से हम करेंगे तो हमारा senior होएगा. तो अभी तक उस प्रोसेस पे तो कोई फोकस कर ही नहीं रहा. अगेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट even all the discussions I'm having for the last 5 days is about coach senior team. अभी भी कोई नहीं कह रहा कि हम कतार से आ रहे हैं तो उनकी अंडर 23 टीम से आ रहे हैं तो हमारी तो अंडर 23 टीम है ही नहीं या हमारी अंडर 21 है नहीं. उस पे फोकस करो. कोई उस पे फोकस नहीं कर रहा. अगला कोच कौन आएगा, अगला अच्छा कोच आएगा, बाहर का आएगा, यहाँ का आएगा. जूनियर कोच नहीं सोचा. मैंने ट्वीट किया था कि भाई साहब आप अंडर 16 का कोच रख रहे हो, 4 महीने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे रहे हो, क्या डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हो आप लोग. बिकॉज अगर आप 4 महीने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे रहे हो दैट यू डोंट केयर अबाउट द अंडर 16 बिकॉज दैट मींस द मोमेंट दे टर्न अंडर 17 इट विल बी न्यू कोच और इट विल बी फ्रॉम टूर्नामेंट टू टूर्नामेंट. तो
तो
आप
सिस्टम में डेवलप ही
जूनियर
नहीं
टीम
होगा
में आप
वो।
टूर्नामेंट टू, हाँ नहीं वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, जूनियर टीम में आप टूर्नामेंट टू टूर्नामेंट कर रहे हो. बट जब जब वहां पे करना है तो एवरीबडी इज थिंकिंग नहीं यार, तुम वहां पे अभी फोकस नहीं करोगे तो 10 साल के बाद भी मैं और शाजी और बूढ़े हो जाएंगे और तू हमारी उम्र का जब होएगा ना फिर तू यही कर रहा होगा हमसे बैठ के कि ओ हो अब ये हो गया. तो इट विल बी स्टिल द सेम कन्वर्सेशन.
Yeah. Sir, I think that's why Ranjit sir, I have heard you saying कि कोच के साथ जो भी हो रहा है, स्टीमाच के साथ जो भी हो रहा है, it's not as relevant as people think it is. What is more immediate is the youth और उनको कैसे अपन
Yes, if
consistently
you want to change, if you want to
Yeah,
change, मतलब
exactly.
if you want to have the same conversation in 10 years कि हमारा अब इस टाइम में नेशनल कोच ने ये किया वो किया इसको निकालो, अगर यही बातें 10 साल के बाद 20 साल के बाद नहीं करनी है तो ये चीज अभी करो, इसके बारे में बात करना बंद करो. डोंट केयर सीनियर टीम का कोच कौन होएगा because it should be some Indian right now to take over in the interim period and it should be Mahesh Gowli. Why? Because it's the easiest fit. Why? Because he's already got all the experience. Otherwise you will be wasting him. ये जो 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस 5 साल का दिया है इसके साथ वेस्ट हो जाएगा फिर वो. और आपके पास उसके बाद अलग कोच भी है, वेंकी भी है, उसके बाद अलग बंदे हैं आपके पास हैं यार, बट आप यूज ही नहीं करोगे, आप ट्रस्ट ही नहीं करते हो. तो ट्रस्ट करो, अब तो इनको ट्रस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा, पैसे भी नहीं है किसी के पास जाने के लिए, करो ना ट्रस्ट. दैट मे बी आई मस्ट जस्ट थिंक दैट दिस मे बी अ सिल्वर लाइनिंग. मैं तो ऐसे देखता हूँ कि ये फायर हुआ है, इनको फिर इनके पास पैसे नहीं है, इनको इंडियन कोच लगाना ही पड़ेगा. अब इंडियन कोच लगाएगा और वो शायद अच्छा रिजल्ट निकालेगा तो दे विल फाइनली थिंक कि यस वी कैन डू बेटर देन गोरस.
हाँ सर, मतलब that is the only way कि this can be अभी, but Mahesh sir has a lot of pressure फिर under him to perform well.
ब्रो इंडियन नेशनल टीम कोच ऑलवेज प्रेशर, इट्स अ प्रेशर जॉब.
Yeah.
You've seen social media.
शाजी सर, if you had a choice to unanimously take action and clean up this mess, ये मेरा आखिरी सवाल है दोनों को कि if you had a choice to take action unanimously, what would be the first 2 or 3 steps you would take?
No, the cleanup mess is the system. Unless the system gets better, system gets new blood, system gets the leadership right. Yeah, is the leadership has to take all the responsibility of the mess. That's very simple. So it's again, you cannot change anything from outside. One can only change from inside, and you can only change if you are in that position of chair where you have the influence, you have the mechanism and the right intention and the honesty, and football has to be focused. So therefore, what it requires is leadership who is invested 365 days, 24/7 in football, and who really loves the game, from the bottom of his or her heart, and who really has the vision and the desire and have the right competency to take people along and in this challenging journey, because you cannot there will be pains only in 4 years, 5 years, 8 years, 10 years. Yeah, the gains can only come after 10 years, 10, 12 years.
Yeah.
So therefore the system needs complete overall, and that is where we need fresh bloods
But sir, I'm
everywhere.
sorry to interrupt. A system overhaul is like the big picture. Yeah, it's something which will take time. But can the system do something right now? Steps which they can take right now to
No,
start the
absolutely.
change.
No. There is, I don't have any confidence. Absolutely not. Because,
But the thing is that why even I see when you ask me the same question, I have no confidence. Also, why? Because again, like I keep on saying, they're talking about the wrong things. They don't understand the importance of what I'm saying. People keep on thinking I'm talking about youth development because I've got an academy. No, I have bloody senior clubs also, man. But I never talk about them. I talk about the juniors. Why? Because this is our future. तुम अपना फ्यूचर देखते हो भाई. जब हम अपनी फैमिली, when you are having your family ना, the first thing a father thinks about now, because I'm a father, now I know, is your kid. के अब now उससे पहले you never used to think about कि कि मैं I should do this or not because he's not gonna be having me. So this is way you have to think, if as the president of AIFF, secretary of AIFF, all the functionaries of AIFF, they are our senior family members. मतलब हम suppose बच्चे हैं इंडियन फुटबॉल के और वो हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं. So whatever decisions they have to take looking at India, not at anything else. Is it going to be good for my country? This decision. Every decision AIFF takes has to just have this question answered. अगर वो question का आंसर पॉजिटिव है, you can never go wrong in the decision. बात ही खत्म है. So easy to take decisions when you ask yourself this.
Yeah, sir.
और अगर यही डिसीजन, अगर यही क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया होता before the last decision, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
हाँ, maybe. Sir, to conclude, I think what both of you guys said, what we currently need is कि हमें आग बुझाने पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमें एक्चुअली एक सिस्टम डेवलप करना है, प्लान करना है, एंड वो एग्जीक्यूट करते रहना है रास्ते पे, टू सी हाउ इट विल हेल्प इंडिया. बिकॉज आग बुझाते रहे तो हम कॉन्स्टेंटली वही आग में फंसे रहेंगे, राइट?
वहां पे जो पेट्रोल पड़ा है उसको उठा के घर से बाहर फेंक दो, नहीं तो बार बार आग लगेगी. हाँ,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. सो एनीवे सर, इट वाज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू गाइस. बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला, एंड फाइनली मुझे क्लैरिटी मिल रही है थोड़ी बहुत कि हम बेसिकली जो ट्विटर पे जो तूफान आया वो कैसे थोड़ा बहुत समेट सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू सर अगेन फॉर ग्रेसिंग दिस मीटिंग. आई थिंक
थैंक यू.